So you can see this line of rain extending from western Scotland through England and Wales all the way down into the Channel Islands. Ahead of it, it will be dry but muggy. Behind it, we're looking at more comfortable conditions. But of course, as always, you can find out more information on our website. Now, you may have seen a weather forecast like that at least once a day, but have you ever wondered, what's high pressure? What's a cold front? Well, if you have, it's your lucky day because we are going to deconstruct a weather forecast. So this is a typical pressure chart, also known as the synoptic chart. If we strip everything off it now and just focus on the low and high pressures, starting off with high pressure.
Another high pressure area expected to form in the northwest.
In the west here, we'll get this ridge of high pressure coming across.
A little ridge of high pressure, a good deal of dry, bright weather.
A high pressure system in the summer is when the air is descending or falling towards the ground, generally bringing settled fair weather. The air under a high pressure dries, so there's less moisture, bringing dry and fine conditions. So if you're ever planning a picnic, high pressure are the words you want to hear. And the words you won't want to hear are...
Got low pressure all the way, lots of isobars means it's going to be quite breezy.
And the troughs of low pressure in the north are moving south as expected.
The next area of low pressure spreads the weather fronts right up across the United Kingdom.
A low pressure system means that the air is rising. As air rises, water vapour condenses into clouds, which may also bring rain, which of course is perfect if your garden is in need of watering. Something else you'll spot on this chart are the white lines. These are the isobars and they join places together of equal pressure. And you can see that the wind strength here, the isobars are quite well spaced. It's going to be a lot less than it's going to be over here in the Atlantic, where the closer the isobars are together, the windier it's likely to be. Another really common weather term you'll hear me talk about are fronts.
This frontal system will be pushing across and bringing with it cloud and outbreaks of rain.
Good afternoon. Well, there is a fresher feel to the weather today, and that's mainly because we had a cold front going through last night, which brought a band of rain.
We still have these fronts to contend with over the next 48 hours.
What a front shows is a line between two different masses of air. A cold front, represented by blue triangles like this, introduces cooler, fresher conditions during the summer. And you've guessed it, a warm front, represented by red semicircles like this, shows that warmer air has been brought over the country. You can see where they've collided in the form of an occlusion, and both bands will bring rain. And on a cold front, we may well have some heavy rain and some thunder, and the rain crossing, in this case, from the west to the east. So if you are heading out, it may be wise to bring a brolly. So hopefully that's demystified the weather somewhat, and the next time you hear the terminology that we use, you will also understand it perhaps a bit better and be able to make up your own mind as to whether you should be bringing your wellies or your sun cream if you're heading out for the day.